In this quick video, we'll look at how we can create fun and interactive games and learning experiences with Canva AI. Let's dive right in. All right, in this first demo, we are in Canva at this point. When you first go to Canva, you'll see it usually starts in this Your Designs section of the screen, but we just selected Canva AI. And from there, we're able to kind of describe the thing that we would like to create. So in this case, I just said I'd like to create an interactive store that will sell fun toys for second graders where customers come, make a purchase, and my students have to practice giving the correct change. So obviously, you can make that any prompt that you want to try to describe an interactive experience. It's going to jump in and it's integrated with some really great coding tools. So as long as you've given the directions for what you want to make, it's going to code that experience for you. What I want you to know is that you don't need to know anything about coding in this. Basically, you can just give feedback to the finished product. So it will go through, it will write this. And then you also see that on the left side of Canva AI, you have kind of a space where you can continue to interact. So this is designing the game that we just described right now. It's going to give us a preview in a minute. Just know that if there's something you see in the preview that's like, oh, that doesn't work right, or hey, I'd rather it do X, Y, or Z, you can just continue to give iterative prompts to update the code base. It will fix it. And then you'll eventually get it to a space where you like what you see and it is working. We'll see how this game does. Again, my goal as the teacher would just be to create a fun experience where kids could practice giving change. Okay, so the customer is paying with $5. Which toy are they buying here? Let's say I want them to buy the robot. You can see I click on this. Oh, okay. So the customer paid $5. The toy costs $3.75. We need to give back $1.25. So I can then choose from these features here until I get the right amount and then check my answer. And it says perfect, great job. Let's pick a different toy. It seems to be working really well. What's awesome about this, this is version 1. Let's say I wanted to customize this a little bit and give some different toys or make it function in a different way. Um, Maybe make the coins and the bills more prominent. I could just write that in this feedback area or even use the voice to text right here, and it will take my directions and feedback and make changes to the overall game design. Now, the real beauty is we are able to then hit this publish button and give it a title. So we'll just call this the change game. And I can hit publish. It's going to prepare that for me. And then once it's published, it's going to give me a website link that I can put anywhere I want. So I could drop this link into my Schoology page as a practice experience. I just have to copy that and pass that out. You will see that it does, when it does this coding, it does code it so that it's usable on iPad, it's usable on Chromebook, any web device. And just like that, you have your own custom game. I'm going to go through one more example, same concept though. So if you get it and you want to just get in and play, I encourage you to go to Canva AI. We'll go through one more, maybe a higher grade level example of how you might use this too. For this next demo, I am asking Canva AI to code an ecosystem game for learners to explore the role of producers, consumers, and decomposers. It should demonstrate how organisms and ecosystems rely on each other for their energy needs. So we're going to send this off, and I've asked for some specific interactions. I want it to be able to interact with organism populations. So this is a challenging thing for AI to do here. It's going to go through this, and I'll jump back in after it's finished coding. Okay, so that was a pretty complex set of directions. It did give me took a shot at this. I think it did pretty good. We'll play with this a little bit, but you can see this is an example of an interactive experience that might allow you to explore the relationships between organisms in an ecosystem. Really, I just wanted to showcase how good these tools can be. So you'll see here, as I start to remove producers from the ecosystem, it's saying that this is a stressed ecosystem, that producers, if we chop down too many trees, the herbivores will starve and the entire food chain collapses. So that's great. Let's go ahead and boost this and put too many producers into the ecosystem. We are supporting our organisms, and we'll get that to a nice balanced place. Now let's put too many herbivores in to our system. Ooh, herbivore overpopulation. Overgrazing is destroying plant population. So again, within 2 minutes, it coded this entire experiment. It even gave me several things that I might try. Okay, so let's do some of those, and let's double the carnivores. I'll just test this reset to balance ecosystem. So we will double our carnivores at this point in time. Too many predators. They're hunting herbivores faster than they can reproduce. Okay, very cool. So again, if I wanted to use this, publish and give it a title, call this ecosystem game, and publish that. And then I can just give that link out, and that's a learning experience kids can engage with. All right, bonus add to this. Our kids can create using this as well. So our students are actually able to go to Canva AI. They could create a game, publish it, and they can use each other's tools to explore which one does the best job learning. Hope you like this. Hope this is something you try out. Really powerful for student learning. Have a great day.